In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your engine air filter on this 2008 to 2010 Ford F-250 6.4 diesel. Let's get started. To remove this air filter housing, you have two clamps, one over here, pop it off, and then there's one on the back side, looks the same, pop that one off as well, and then this whole thing should slide up. There you go. You have a hose that's connected over here, you can just slide it off. Get this out of your way. And here's your air filter. All you have to do is slide it back and then straight up. If you have a lot of debris built up in here, you would want to vacuum it up. Ours looks fine. So I'm going to grab my new air filter. You'll see that on this side has a thicker, squishier gasket. On the other side it's just hard plastic and it's narrower. You want the thicker side to be pressed up against the part that leads to the engine. That's how it seals up properly. And you want to drop it down, line it up, and make sure that once it goes down in, see right here is not sealed, you have to push it further down and it'll basically drop in and fall into its area. Kind of like that. See how it lines up perfectly? So now you take the cap, put the hose back on it, line it up. Make sure it slides down all the way. There you go. Make sure you clamp it back down on both sides. If it doesn't clamp down easily, that means it's not seated down all the way and it's not sealed up. There you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.